Everyone thinks the best-selling cast iron Dutch oven is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Enameled Chef Cream White Dutch Oven. First up is the Enameled Chef 5QT Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven in Cream White. Priced at $37.98, it caught my eye with its beautiful color and practical design. If you're looking for an affordable yet high-quality option for slow cooking and baking, this is worth a serious look. Let's talk features that matter. This pot retains heat well, making it ideal for dishes that require long cooking times like stews and braising. The airtight lid seals in moisture, ensuring your meals are always juicy. Plus, it's oven-safe up to 500 degrees F, so you can bake and roast without worry. With over 3,200 glowing reviews and a bestseller badge, it's clear that many are satisfied with their purchase. Now, some people complain that it can chip if not handled with care. Here's the thing though, if you treat it gently and follow the care instructions, you shouldn't have any major issues. It's perfect for those who appreciate a blend of style and functionality. This is perfect for you if you're a home cook looking for an attractive, budget-friendly Dutch oven. Skip this one if you need something ultra-durable for heavy-duty use. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the potential for chipping bothered you, the next one might take a completely different approach. Product number 2, Enameled Chef Red Dutch Oven. Next up, we have the Enameled Chef 5QT Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven in red, priced at $36.09. Honestly, it's hard to resist that vibrant color, and if you want something that looks great in your kitchen, this is definitely worth a look. What sets this apart? Just like its cream counterpart, it boasts even heat distribution and a tight-fitting lid that locks in flavors. The non-stick surface means cleanup is a breeze, which is something we all appreciate after a long day of cooking. Plus, the thickened walls prevent any scorching, so your meals come out perfect every time. With the same stellar rating of 4.7 stars from over 3,200 reviews, you can trust it's a favorite among home cooks. Now there are a few complaints about its weight. Some users find it a bit cumbersome, especially when it's full. But here's the thing, a heavier pot usually means better heat retention, which is what you really want for great cooking. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish Dutch oven that's functional and easy to clean. Skip it if you prefer something lightweight. For the quality and price, it's definitely a steal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger gatherings. Product number 3, Nuova Dark Blue Dutch Oven. Coming in at number 3 is the Nuova Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven, a larger 6.4 quart option priced at $49.99. This one caught my eye with its dark blue color and generous capacity. If you're cooking for a crowd, this is a great choice. Here's why this Dutch oven could be your best friend in the kitchen. The enamel coating means you won't have to season it, which is a huge time saver. It's perfect for everything from browning meat to slow-cooking casseroles, and with its ability to retain heat effectively, your food will always come out delicious. Plus, the classic design with double handles makes it easy to transport from the stove to the oven. But not all feedback is glowing. Some users noted that it doesn't come dishwasher safe, which can be a hassle for those who love the convenience of a dishwasher. However, hand washing is simple and won't take much time, so it's not a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you need a larger Dutch oven that's versatile and easy to use. Skip it if you prefer dishwasher-safe options. For the price and quality, it's a fantastic buy. Now, if the lack of dishwasher safety was a concern for you, the next product may meet your needs. Product number 4, Lodge Double Dutch Oven. Next, let's check out the Lodge Cast Iron Double Dutch Oven priced at $59.90. This one is unique because it's a 2-in-1 design combining a Dutch oven with a dual-handle skillet. If you want versatility in your cookware, this is definitely worth considering. What's cool about this Dutch oven is its even heat distribution, meaning your food cooks consistently across the pot. The fact that it's oven-safe and can handle grill and campfire use just adds to its charm. Plus, it's made with only iron and oil, giving you a non-toxic cooking experience. However, some users mention that it can be a bit heavy, particularly when full. But let's be honest, a little weight typically means better heat retention and durability, which are crucial for great cooking. This is perfect for you if you love the idea of multi-use cookware that can handle a variety of cooking methods. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight. For the price point, it offers great versatility. Alright, that was a solid pick. But the final one on our list takes a more budget-friendly approach. Product number 5, Edging Casting Dutch Oven with Skillet Lid. Finally, we have the Edging Casting 2-in-1 Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Dutch Oven, priced at just $33.99. This caught my attention because it's a more affordable option that doesn't skimp on functionality. If you're looking to save some cash without sacrificing quality, this is a good option. What's great about this Dutch oven is its pre-seasoned feature. It's ready to use right out of the box, and the integrated loop handles make pouring and moving it around super easy. You can use it for a variety of cooking styles, from baking to frying. And because it's cast iron, you know it's built to last. On the downside, some users found it requires careful cleaning since it's not dishwasher safe. But let's face it, if you're into cast iron, you probably already know the care it requires, and it's not too much trouble. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly Dutch oven that still delivers on performance. Skip this if you insist on dishwasher-safe cookware. For its price, it's hard to beat. To wrap it up, we've covered 5 fantastic cast iron Dutch ovens. The stylish Umite Chef Cream and Red options, the larger Nuova, the versatile Lodge Double Dutch Oven, and the budget-friendly Edging Casting. Each has its strengths and may suit different cooking styles and preferences. No matter which one you choose, you'll be investing in quality cookware that can last a lifetime.